just like I thought. I just took all that debris out. We had us another bad storm. You see all those sticks and everything. All the crap in the bottom of my pool. So getting busy to take care of that. And then we're going to try the Clorox on that. Some of that staining came up. We're going to try the Clorox this time. See what she gets us done. Well, it's doing what I wanted it to do. It's cleaning that grime off the sidewall. I don't know if you look at that diving board. That diving board looks like brand new. Getting rid of a lot of the marks on the side. I'm gonna wait and pressure wash next year. I don't think I'm gonna do it this year. And my pool cover for my skimmer come out really nice. And the lines where you can see the difference where I sprayed and where I didn't spray. So, well, let's go up and check the pool today. Supposed to have another storm tonight. Yeah. That come out somewhat wider. I think I might have to still pressure wash. It's a shame. But the water's clear. Flowers are blooming. Looking nice. And next thing I guess is we'll clean off those chairs and table and deck and make sure everything's nice and clean on that. There's my helper. See you guys next week.